guys, today we're doing...
Boomerang! Look, it's freezing and raining!
Yeah, it is.
It's damp.
Yeah, it's pretty damp.
So this is all gonna be on the floor, you know?
Yep, we know. Oh, jeez, it's right there. Oh,
Oh no!
it hit their house.
No!
That's not our house. That's their house, right?
You know what I need to do now?
What?
Aim more right, because that wouldn't work for me.
Yeah.
It looked like the light on your screen, but it actually went left.
Yeah.
For me. So I'll aim, so I go straight. Then do on the right.
Oh!
Oh no.
Oh no, you got caught in that tree there. Guys, it got stuck in the tree. Where is it, Zach? Does that one wiggle?
Oh no.
Wait, where is it actually?
It's way up. Let's look on it.
Wait, like, show, like, I don't even see it.
It's way up. It's why it's stuck in the tree pretty good.
Oh yeah, it's right there. Do you guys see the boomerang?
I can climb it.
Do you guys see that? Yo, you're actually... Here, hold the camera.
I'll go from the other
Hold
side.
the camera.
Hello?
Hold the camera.
I can't climb it.
Do not stop recording.
I can't. You have to just record it. I climb. I hate
Zach's climbing up the tree. Where even is it?
I can't
It's up
do it.
there.
Let's get a ball. Let's get that bat. I see a bat.
Just throw the bat up there.
Yeah, I'll throw it up there. The bat will get stuck. It's here.
See, there's the boomerang. I think you guys see it.
This little plastic bat.
Yeah, it's a little-
You've probably already seen this before.
It's a little nubber.
Yeah, it's a little Tykes bat. You can't play this in real baseball. It's stuck up there pretty good. It's supported by a few good branches, though.
Yeah.
Woo!
Ew.
Shoot!
Now the bat's stuck.
I hate this!
Guys, I guess
Give me a
I'll
basketball.
stop recording now because this is a good cliffhanger. If you know what that means.
Let's get a basketball. Alright, I'll get a basketball and get them down.
Yeah, I farted. Oh jeez, I don't want to drop the camera like I did another time because, you know, there's the thing, there's the boomerang, and if you guys see that, there's the, I'll just upper the brightness. Do you see that bat? And the boomerang. Hopefully you can see the boomerang.
My throat hurts so much.
What?
It feels like there's a fold in my toe. It's still going. It's just one pulsing it, more than one.
Okay, Zach.
Oh, don't get stuck.
No.
And that got stuck too. I don't know how to get the back though.
Yeah, I wouldn't know how to do that. Okay, try it again. Oh, jeez.
Shoot! Hey, you caught it. One-handed.
Let me, here, hold the camera. I'm gonna try to throw it.
It's okay. I can try. Where's the boomerang? I want to get the boomerang.
I don't know where you are.
No, it is.
I don't see it, but you can just try to get it.
Oh,
There's so much water. Is that stuff falling?
that's like little flower seeds in water coming down.
Both of them at the same time, right?
Oh, that was close.
Look at all that stuff coming
Way
down.
easier to get down. It's stuck up there good.
Yeah.
Get it out!
Ow! It hit me.
But I moved it. Look now. Now
Yeah.
it's supported by those kind of branches.
Yeah.
They'll go from this side now. It all suck.
Yeah.
Hey, it looks like it's raining flowers.
That's pretty cool,
The
actually.
rain slowed down at least.
It rains flowers.
It slowed down.
That's epic.
Oh! Yay!
Yay! Now
One more to go.
Now I need to get the bat out, and then I'll end the video because it's getting pretty long.
Oh!
Dang it!
Oh, it's like hanging in my one foot.
I keep farting. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Maybe I want to throw the boomerang up.
I keep farting.
Basketball's all wet.
And I farted again.
You made me feel that thing wild.
Good, so I can get more watch time and more money.
Oh, man.
I won't talk about that again. Oh, jeez!
Oh, a stick came down.
Did you say oof? You said oof.
I didn't say oof.
Yeah, you did.
Play it in slow-mo.
Yeah, they can play it in slow-mo to watch
Some
this
kind of-
monstrosity of nothing happening.
I didn't say oof though.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Play it in slow-mo. I didn't say oof.
Yeah, you did say oof. Oh! This bat is stuck up there good.
Ah! Oh, I can't. The basketball won't allow it.
Jeez, this is
There's a
taking...
private airplanes. Oh. Come on, ball.
Oh, the ball's dirty.
Oh, I just have to get this down. I'm breaking out a tree.
Show them the ball.
I'm breaking out a tree.
It's pretty dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I guess I should end the video. I guess if you have enjoyed,
Oh, it's stuck. Ah, God.
I guess if you've enjoyed, smash the like and
I need to get and
And
last
sub.
and
And
one throw
sub.
and one last throw.
yeah, one last throw and then
This
I'll
is a
end
good
it.
angle.
Oh!
It's stuck up there.
So if you guys have enjoyed, smash a like. Sub.
Oh, I hit it.
Okay, last week, if you one more, that's it. Okay, if you guys have enjoyed, subscribe.
One
Goodbye.
more.